In this video, I want to show you how to import data from Microsoft Access into Microsoft Excel. So notice how I have a blank workbook here, and we're going to pick on the data menu, and we're going to say get external data. Okay. Now notice how Access is one of the choices. In another video later on, we'll talk about how to get data from maybe a SQL Server database or something like that. But let's go from Microsoft Access. Now what's going to happen here is you're going to see a list of the Access databases that might be on your computer. It'll take a second to come up. Okay, good. So in my case, I have Access databases in the My Documents folder. So I'm going to come over here and pick on Documents, and then I'm going to scroll down, and these are all my Access databases. You should see lots of other videos in this series concerning Microsoft Access. So I'm going to pick on a database that's called Tables, and that has multiple tables and queries contained therein. So I can either copy from a table in Access or a query. So let's see, I'd like to get the orders table. I'm just going to pick on orders and click on OK. Now this screen is asking me where I want to place the data inside the Excel workbook. Do I want that in an existing sheet or a new worksheet? I'm going to say in the existing sheet, and I want it in cell A1. Alright, I'm going to click on OK. And look what it did. Just like that, it pulled in the data from an Access table into your Excel workbook. Now if you'll notice, it has these pull downs over here, so that means we can start to do sorts and filters. You'll notice that there's other videos about sorts and filters in this series, but notice what did happen. It pulled over the data right from Microsoft Access into an Excel workbook. What we did there was data, we said get external data, and then we said from Access.